Question number 1. Where is the pharynx located? Answer is option B, throat. Question number 2. Which cell is smallest cell in our body? Answer is option D, sperm. Question number 3. Insulin hormone is secreted by which organ? Answer option C, liver. Question number 4. Study of fruit is called? Option A, pomology. Question number 5. EEG records the activity of? Option C, brain. Question number 6. Which vitamin is available to the human body through sunbathing? Answer option B, vitamin D. Question number 7. Inside which organ is the gallbladder located? Answer option B, liver. Question number 8. Calcium sulphate is known as? Option B, gypsum salt. Question number 9. Which of the following vitamin is known as niacin? Answer option D, vitamin B3. Question number 10. Red plus green plus blue equal what? Option B, white. Question number 11. Penicillin is used to fight what types of infections? Answer option A, bacteria. Question number 12. Tooth decay is caused by? Option B, sugar. Question number 13. At what temperature are Celsius and Fahrenheit equal? Answer option A, -40 degree. Question number 14. The lens used in a simple microscope is? Option B, convex. Question number 15. Milk contains water? Option C, 80%. Question number 16. The SI unit of charge is? Option B, coulomb. Question number 17. The most abundant element in the universe is? Option B, hydrogen. Question number 18. The SI unit of pressure is? Option A, Pascal. Question number 19. Which from the following is not a conductor? Answer option D, all are conductors. Question number 20. The great spot is on the planet? Option D, Jupiter. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share.